Hi everyone, this short video will guide you to set up your Turnitin profile. Recall that I mentioned in my initial video how your profile can be created by the software administrator. So now I have just sent my information, my first name, my last name, and my email address to the administrator, and he has created a profile for me, and a mail is here now in my mailbox. I'm using Microsoft Outlook and email clients, and I have a mail set up your Turnitin account that was sent to me because a profile has been created for me. So now let's see how to set up. So I just want you to follow me. You just click on setup on the mail you receive, just like I have received this one. And when you do that, it's actually prompted a Turnitin page for us to enter our email address and our last name, family name, or surname. So I enter my email as sent to the administrator, and also my surname as sent to the administrator, and I click on next. Now I have this account set up. To validate your account, we have sent an email to your address. So to my address, an email has been sent by Turnitin. Yeah, good. That's the alert. I am running Microsoft Outlook, I told you earlier, and I have notification that a new mail is in my box. So now you don't bother if you don't have the notification when you are trying to do it yourself. It depends on the configuration and the setup of your system. But for me, I have, so I know the email is already there. So I go to my email client again and look for the recent mail from Turnitin. Yeah, I have this mail, create your Turnitin password. I've just clicked on it and I have this. So I now want to create my password, the same thing that you will do. So I click on create password. Yes, now I have opportunity to create my password, to set my password. But you must not forget this requirement. Your password must be at least 8 character long. That's what Turnitin requests. So I enter my password. The issue on the password and information security will be for another time. But simply here, let's just follow the rule. Your password must be at least 8 character long. So I am entering my password now. So then for confirmation, so that the application will be sure that this is deliberate, this is for confirming the password, and also to be sure that I actually know what I'm entering. So I've just done that. Let me create my password. Don't forget, when you sent your request to the administrator, he didn't ask for a password. So you are the one setting the password. So don't try to do for any password anywhere. You are setting it for the first time. So I click on create password. Wow, I am right. I'm right. So that means the two password is the same thing and it's acceptable. So the next thing now is you can now log in because I have password and also I have email that was sent earlier. So I have both email as my username and also the new password that I've set as the password that I will be using to log in into my Turnitin profile. So I click on login. Wow, I have the login page from Turnitin. So let me enter my email now. The same thing you would do when you have the email for setup. So, but not entering my email, you enter your own email. So my email in this case, I am entering it now. So, and the password as was just done, set by myself. Logging in for the first time. brings you here to the welcome screen where you have your information, and you may wish to change or improve on some of the information here. But I'm paying attention to secret questions. Secret questions are preset questions from where you will take a particular question and provide an answer. And you may find it useful, may be needful when you have issue with the password or when there's a problem with the password later in the future. So just pay attention to it. Select one of the questions, provide an answer, then you click on next. Then you are here at the user agreements. There's little you can do here than to agree, because your organization of course have agreed to certain terms before the software uh, transaction is completed. So you click on agree, then wow, great. So I've done it well. So I'm good to go. Now I'm right there in my home page, Turnitin home page. And this is just what I want to show us today, how to just set up your account. Very soon, coming up with other videos to address some other issues or challenges that we may be facing. But at this point, I believe that this is beneficiary. And if you find this useful, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also, you may activate the notification, and also you can give us a thumb up so that you will be able to get notification of other video from us, and other people also will benefit from it. So thank you. See you another time. Bye.